Hello everyone, and today we are reviewing the TEENFON Pedestal Sink Storage Cabinet for your compact bathroom. This smart U-shaped design fits perfectly around your pipes, but remember to measure your sink before buying. It instantly gives your pedestal sink a modern facelift while hiding unsightly plumbing behind stylish black doors. Inside, you will find a handy shelf to organize toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and personal care items. The durable MDF construction features a moisture-resistant finish that stands up to humid bathroom environments perfectly. Assembly is very simple and takes just 30 minutes thanks to the clearly labeled parts and instructions. This cabinet is the ultimate storage solution for small bathrooms that need a clean and organized look. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.